Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster tail on the stove. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator. Next, take kitchen shears and carefully cut along the top of the shell, from the base to the tail, exposing the meat. Then, gently pull the meat up and out, resting it on top of the shell, but keep it connected at the very end of the tail. For boiling, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully place the prepared lobster tails into the boiling water. Cook them for about 1 minute per ounce of tail meat. For example, a 4-ounce tail would cook for 4 minutes. Alternatively, you can steam them over simmering water for a similar duration. The meat will turn opaque and firm when done. Another delicious method is pan-searing or butter poaching. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Place the lobster meat, cut side down, into the hot butter and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's golden and cooked through. For poaching, submerge the lobster in warm, melted butter and gently cook for 5 to 7 minutes until tender. Once cooked, serve your lobster tails immediately. A classic pairing is warm, melted butter and a fresh lemon wedged to squeeze over the succulent meat. Remember, the key to tender lobster is to avoid overcooking. It can quickly become tough and rubbery. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, delicious lobster tail right from your stove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.